Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how do you pause your gig on Fiverr. So firstly, log into your Fiverr account. So once you've logged into your Fiverr account, click on your profile picture here. So click on it and go to profile. So go to profiles and we're going to look for our active gigs that are active at the moment. So here under active gigs here, so you'll see all the gigs that are active at the moment. So just look for the one that you want to pause. So for example, I'm using this one. So here, click on these three dots here, and then you'll see an option here called pause. So what you have to do is just click on that. So this is now paused. So as you can see, it's moved from active gigs. So and it's moved to here under paused. So so once you desire to make it active again, so what you can do is you can just go back to this page and then click on this pause option. Here under pause tab you will find this, and then what you have to do is click on these three icons here, and then you can click on activate. So then it gets back under active gigs. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.